What's poppin', guys? Dubby sent me these products to try for you guys. Let's open this bad boy up. They sent me these awesome cups for me to try the drinks in. First is blue raspberry in big energy tears. What does that even mean? I bet this will be pretty good. This one is push and punch. This one looks like it would taste pretty fruity. This one is Calio cream. This one looks like it could be dreamsicle. These are energy drinks. Watch my future videos to see me try these. These two are hydro drinks. This one's pine berry splash. This one's pineapple and strawberry with a splash of water. And this one's watermelon nata. This is the one I'm going to be trying for you guys today. Oh, definitely fulfilling now, 10. Make sure to watch my next video to see me try another Dubby drink. I'll post in the comments how you can order these drinks. Comment down below if you tried these or if you want to try these. Thank you, Dubby. Peace out.